First, I got a thing of Dr. Pepper, you guys. I don't drink soda. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day, a great night. Today I'm gonna be going over what I buy in a month. This is for the most part like everything I get throughout the month. I'll grab a couple things like some fresh fruits and vegetables, things here and there, or if I run out, like I may get some more eggs because I eat a lot of eggs. But for the most part, this is what I get. I like to get a big shopping trip done at the beginning of the month, and then throughout I can just grab like one or two things here. But I feel like I save a lot of money, and just kind of helps me stay on like eating healthy, and it's really good. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so to start out, I'm gonna go over. First, I got a thing of Dr. Pepper, you guys. I don't drink soda. I don't drink caffeine. I've drinking caffeine this many times in my life. I just don't like it. I don't like soda in general, but I had like a headache about a week ago, and I tried like ibuprofen, Advil, like I was trying everything and nothing was making it go away. And I was over at my sister's, and she's like, hey, I heard this, like you use caffeine with the ibuprofen and then it will work. And I've heard people say caffeine in the past and it's never, but I hear people like so mixed, so like does it not? And my sister was saying if you don't really have it at all, then it works a lot better. And I was like, okay, I'll try it I'll try anything. I'm in pain and my head hurts and all this, and within less than a minute my headache was totally gone. So I now have Dr. Pepper just for headaches and nothing else. So it's more like medicine. I think I'm the only person in the world that does this. Oh well. Next is I have eggs. So I have two things of a 60 count, and you guys. So I have my. I'll probably be eating more than this many eggs this month. I love eggs. Sometimes I'll eat like a dozen a day. So I get my protein. I eat this with breakfast with a little bit of peppers and mushrooms and chips and salsa. You guys see that more into this video. But yeah, this is at least 2 dozen so far. Next I have 6 bags of tortilla chips. They're the Juanitas. These ones are my favorite. I've tried others and still none compared to these. So if you can find them, then you should try them out. You can't really get them at Walmart or a lot of bigger ones, but I usually get them like Macy's. It's like a grocery store here. Macy's or Smith's or like other like little grocery stores. Not Macy's, like the super whatever the big places. We have them right around here where they're just like a little grocery store. So you can get them from places like that. And then into the salsa, I get the Arriba Fire Roasted Mexican Chipotle salsa. It has smoked jalapenos and it's medium. This one is definitely my favorite. I've tried other ones and I just don't like them as much with my breakfast. Now in general, I like some other ones, but for my breakfast, this is the one I like. And it's really good. And then I got some boneless pork, thin chopped strips. I don't know what they're called, but they're buy one get one free. I decided to get some pork. I have other meats that I use in the freezer, but at least for this month I was getting a little low on pork, so I decided to buy those. I usually get more butter, but they were all out, so I only got this almond oil for right now, but I will be kind of getting some more later. So that's one thing I'll have to get more of later. I just said more a lot. Alright, but I got that for right now. Next is I got 2 things of these these mushrooms. They're just a slice. Cremini mushrooms, what is that the name? I don't really know, but I just throw these in the freezer and then I can pull them up and cut them up every morning for breakfast. And then I do have, usually I get like four of these, 4 to 5, and then I cut them up and freeze them as well for my breakfast with the eggs. But since I already have a lot left over from last month, I just only got 2 because I got them later last month. And then got my baby carrots because I love having these. One of my favorite things to do is getting like 3 eggs, boiling them, then crushing it all up with a little bit of mayo, and then it's like that egg salad sandwich mix, and then I just have those baby carrots and then baby tomatoes, and that's one of my favorite treats. Maybe that's a weird combination, but I really like that. So yeah, this is my main grocery shopping for the month. Again, maybe I'll get 1 or 2 things here and there, but not a whole lot. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what other stuff you want to see next. Alright, have a great day, great night. Bye, love you.